help others who are struggling and making some mistake we did. Set B to me means freedom, redemption, and opportunity, the freedom to create better lives. My life before Set B, college education behind bars was not good. My mom worked abroad and my dad was construction worker. I did not get much attention from my parents, such as emotional needs, even though they meet some of my physical needs. Something is missing in my life. I did not value much education growing up. I did not have a role model in life. I gave up on myself in those years, and my education did not seem like it was for me at the time. After dropping out of school, I joined a group. In 2018, at the age of 18, I killed a guy from another group in the name of self-defense. I went hiding for more than 3 years, but I got arrested for killing a person. In 2021, I was sentenced 6 years to 12 years in prison. That's something I have to live for the rest of my life. When I heard about college education behind bars program, I applied right away and I got accepted. When I was added the college education behind bars program, I understood that I created a prison in my mind. College education behind bars showed me how I could escape from it. The college education behind bars program helped me to realize not to let my past define me. Who I am and what I can accomplish. CEBB helped me mentally, physically, and spiritually free. I am no longer defined by murder I committed in 2018 when I was 18 years old. Today, I am a student, not a criminal. I am more than a PDL. Yes, I regret what I have done, but I can change my past, but I can change my future. That's why I am focusing on right now. I believe that Set B model could work and help so many PDL to realize that they are bigger than their problem and that actual change possible. The college education behind bars gave me second chance at fresh start and helped me to find purpose in life. A redemption through education. That's why Set B motto is education is freedom. I heard a saying that we graduate from childhood to adulthood. I am an adult now. And college education behind bars helped me grow into the man I am today. Ladies and gentlemen, killing someone is not a blessing. And being in jail or prison is not a blessing as many of you see. Prison is a very bad place to be, and one of the worst place you can be. But now, college education behind bars helped me to understand that going to prison is a blessing for me now. It looks bad, but it turns out to be a blessing for me because I never got to anything like this on the outside. If I did not come to the prison, I would not stand before you today. I would not meet the founder of the great program, Dr. Alan Mizel, Attorney Cariaga, our great teachers, our officers, our great superintendent, Sir Mendoza. Always heard from Sir Alan. Our superintendent Mendoza was very supportive of this program. Without your help and support, I would not have defined myself. All of you gave me a reason to live. Give me hope, help me turn my pain and frustration into the passion that helped me to endure, and help me realize I am bigger than my problem. Now, the good thing I have done may not wash out the bad thing I have done, but the bad thing does not wash out the good either. I heard several times Dr. Mizel says that if we learn From our mistakes, it is no longer a mistake. It is a success. I made a big mistake in the past, but I learned my lesson and succeeded. And here is the proof. Face it, we are not the same people. When we started this path, I never thought I could stand in front of an audience and give a speech. Yet, thanks to my teachers, and I am here standing before you, the product of the SETB College Education Behind Bars program. If we can achieve what we have here, we can do anything, anywhere. Let me end by saying that I am proud to be one of you, and thank you for the honor SETB College Education Behind Bars has shown us that we can be more than what we were. Thank you.